By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to add a new message to a blank billboard, how to change existing text on an existing billboard, and the key benefits of using Nano Banana for image editing. Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you're in marketing, branding, or just love creating stunning visuals, you know the challenge: getting your message onto a billboard perfectly. But what if I told you there's an AI tool that makes it easy? Today, we're diving into Google's Nano Banana, a game changer for digital marketers. This isn't just about slapping text on an image. It's about seamlessly integrating your message so it looks like it was always there. And trust me, you're going to love what it can do. Billboard quotes images are extensively used by digital marketers, either to convey ideas to their superiors or simply to share with social media followers. Traditionally, this means a whole process of graphic designers, font matching, and perspective adjustments. But with Nano Banana, those days are, well, almost over. Let's start with a common scenario: a beautiful, plain white canvas billboard just waiting for your brilliant message. How do we get our text on there looking professional and natural? Now, go to Google Gemini and upload this image by clicking the plus button on the chat interface. Nano Banana is automatically integrated into Google Gemini. After uploading the image, simply provide a clear prompt. For this one, we're going to say, "Add text to the billboard. Let's create something great with Super AI." And just like that, within a matter of seconds, Google's Nano Banana inputted this text on the billboard within the image. No need for costly image editing software or graphic designers. As you can see, this makes the life of a lot of digital marketers and small businesses easy. Sharing an inspiring story or quote to go along with your social media post is no longer a time-consuming task. Now, what if you like a billboard concept and want to share it on your platform, except with a different message? A message from your brand to your followers. Well, Nano Banana can help you there too. Let's imagine this is the image you like. Upload this image to Google Gemini and then input this prompt. Change the text on the billboard that says "Billboard Mockup" to "Don't stop till you get enough." Click enter. Wow, the text has been replaced with "Don't stop till you get enough," and look closely. This is the part that truly impresses me. It mimics the original font family. That's powerful. You're not just replacing text, you're preserving style. So, who is this for? Digital marketers for rapid prototyping, branding agencies to quickly visualize slogans, or social media managers creating visuals on the fly. If you want to streamline your design process, you have to try this out. Now, after these two design creation experiences, what do you think of Google Nano Banana? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.